Ford's Maverick owns the compact pickup spotlight, but Chevrolet may be preparing the truck that could steal it. The 2027 Chevy Montana promises clever cargo solutions, city-friendly dimensions, modern technology, and aggressive pricing, all without the bulk or expense of a full-size pickup. Yet one wrong move on power, all-wheel drive, towing, or price could kill its American chances before launch. Strap in, feel the power. Welcome to Torque Tribune, where every turn fuels your passion for motoring. Here are the 6 biggest reasons the Chevy Montana could pressure the Maverick, challenge Toyota's rumored stout, and completely reshape America's small truck battle. Number 6. Multi-flex bed, small footprint, serious cargo intelligence. A compact pickup lives or dies by its cargo bed, and the Montana's multi-flex box is designed around everyday usefulness. It provides about 30.9 cubic feet of volume, 8 tie-down points, dual lighting, a weight-assisted tailgate, protective liner, water-resistant tonneau cover, and dividers that create 6 layouts. That flexibility suits bicycles, camping equipment, groceries, tools, and renovation supplies. The Maverick still leads with a 33.3 cubic foot bed, payload capacity up to 1,500 pounds, and 4,000 pounds of towing. Chevrolet therefore needs durable hardware, useful power outlets, strong ratings, and a credible towing package to compete evenly in America. But cargo intelligence is only half the appeal. The Montana must also make everyday driving easier than larger, bulkier pickups. Number 5. City-sized muscle, truck utility without garage anxiety. American pickups have grown so large that even mid-size models can feel awkward in narrow streets, parking garages, and suburban driveways. The Montana takes the opposite approach. At roughly 185.7 inches long and 70.8 inches wide, it promises easier parking, sharper maneuverability, and less visual bulk, appealing to commuters, retirees, first-time truck owners, and small businesses. Its unibody construction, electric steering, independent front suspension, and torsion beam rear axle should deliver crossover-like handling and a calmer empty bed ride. The challenge is interior packaging, but additional rear seat room suggests Chevrolet is working to preserve comfort, storage, visibility, and daily practicality. That manageable footprint improves life outside the truck, but Chevrolet must make the cabin equally convincing once buyers climb inside. Number 4. Crossover grade cabin. Affordable no longer means primitive. The Montana avoids bargain truck austerity with an available 11-inch MyLink touchscreen, 8-inch digital cluster, wireless smartphone integration, USB-A and USB-C ports, wireless charging, built-in Wi-Fi, OnStar, and a reversing camera. Higher trims add automatic climate control, keyless access, push-button start, upgraded materials, rain-sensing wipers, and 17-inch wheels. In Brazil, 6 airbags and rear parking sensors are standard, while blind spot monitoring and LED lighting appear on upper grades. For America, Chevrolet would need automatic emergency braking, lane assistance, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control while preserving the affordable pricing that gives this compact pickup its strongest appeal. Before we shift into the 3 biggest reasons, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Your support keeps Torque Tribune delivering high-octane vehicle updates, technical breakdowns, and automotive insights for enthusiasts like you. A modern cabin creates desire, but proving the Montana can survive American demands requires more than screens, connectivity, and comfort. Number 3. Built and battle-tested, but America raises the stakes. Unlike the still-rumored Toyota Stout revival, the Chevrolet Montana already exists, backed by active production, an established supply chain, and years of South American owner feedback. Its Brazilian lineup also provides a ready-made trim structure, from basic work models to better-equipped versions, Premier, and Sporty RS variants. GM has already refined the turbocharged engine, 6-speed transmissions, suspension calibration, cargo accessories, connectivity, and cabin packaging. Yet America raises the standard. A US Montana needs more power, stronger cooling, competitive towing, and payload ratings, available all-wheel drive, advanced safety systems, and proven durability without becoming an overpriced import carrying unexpected shipping or tariff costs. That existing global foundation gives Chevrolet momentum, yet one engineering decision will ultimately determine whether American buyers take it seriously. Number 2. Powertrain pressure. Torque will decide its fate. The Montana's powertrain could determine its fate before it reaches American showrooms. Its South American 1.2-liter, turbocharged 3-cylinder produces about 139 horsepower and 166 pound-feet of torque through a 6-speed manual or automatic. That may suit urban commuting, but American buyers expect stronger passing power, highway confidence, towing ability, and available all-wheel drive. Chevrolet could retain the small turbo and compete aggressively on price, install a larger gasoline engine, or develop a hybrid to confront the Maverick. GM would also need stronger cooling, brakes, transmission programming, and chassis tuning. The right balance of torque, efficiency, capability, and cost could transform the Montana into a genuine segment surprise. Even the ideal engine and drivetrain cannot guarantee success, because the Montana's final battlefield will be the dealership window sticker. Number 1. The price battlefield. Montana must deliver real value. Price will determine whether the Montana becomes a breakout success or merely another intriguing vehicle Americans never seriously consider. Chevrolet cannot charge Maverick money while delivering less power, no hybrid, limited traction options, and weaker capability. However, a starting price below $30,000, with meaningful savings against a similarly equipped Ford, could transform it into GM's value wildcard. A basic work model, practical mid-grade trim, comfortable Premier, and sporty RS could create broad appeal. The danger is option inflation. Affordable advertising means little if all-wheel drive, safety packages, destination charges, and dealer add-ons push desirable versions deep into the mid-$30,000 range. If Chevrolet protects that value instead of burying it beneath options, the Montana's complete package becomes much harder to ignore. Final verdict: Chevrolet's compact truck opportunity is waiting. The Montana already combines smart cargo organization, manageable dimensions, useful technology, and an established global platform. Those ingredients give Chevrolet a genuine opportunity to re-enter the affordable end of the pickup market without starting from scratch. Yet success in America depends on decisions GM has not confirmed. An appropriate engine, available all-wheel drive, credible towing and payload figures, stronger safety technology, and pricing that clearly undercuts comparable Maverick trims. The Montana does not need to overpower every rival. It needs to deliver the right blend of torque, efficiency, practicality, and ownership value. Get that formula right, and Chevrolet could have a compact truck contender worth taking seriously. Now here is where we want to hear from you. Would you choose a competitively priced Chevrolet Montana over the proven Ford Maverick? Which matters most in your ideal compact pickup? Hybrid efficiency, stronger low-end torque, or a lower purchase price? Share your thoughts, experiences, and ideal Montana specifications in the comments. Your perspective could help another enthusiast decide what this compact Chevrolet would need to earn a place in their garage. Subscribe to Torque Tribune and turn on notifications for the latest vehicle updates, reviews, technical breakdowns, and upcoming videos. The Montana is just one of many exciting vehicles reshaping the automotive landscape. Click one of the videos on your screen now and discover what could be your next favorite vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.